Swadika, Asian Chan from Keystone Property. Welcome to the Plantation Estate, a new luxury community offered by one of Thailand's most decorated developers. And right now, let's have a tour with me. And even though this is the one-story house, this village also made as a step from the main entrance to make it more higher than the road. And also behind you is a mountain. It's like a lowering hill behind you. And let's have a look from the inside. While you walk in, you meet our living room here, connect to our dining table over there. And what I really like about the project here is the developer make it as a floor-to-ceiling window, which is you can get through the daylight. You don't even need our inside light at all. As I say, this is one of Thailand's most decorated developers. As you can see here, they get so many rewards. And behind your living area, you meet our spectacular master bedroom here, which is come with the pool view. Oh, let's have a look here in our walk-in closet. I love this bed. On the other side of the house is another 2-bedroom here. Let's have a look on the left-hand side. This is also come with a huge window, which I love it. here they also have another bathroom, which is you can share with another bedroom over there.